You won't crash on this. Ain't nothing to it.
All right, I'm going down.
Yeah. Oh, going up ain't no problem. It's on the way down with your front brake is what you got to watch.
The way down's a little harder.
Yeah.
I know that. That's why it hurts.
Yeah. Well, I went ahead and got my OHV sticker on this thing.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Was it easy or difficult?
Oh, it was easy.
Okay.
Wasn't to it. $27.
Yeah. I find a way to get you.
I think it's kind of stupid when you pay a license plate anyway, but
You already have an off-road vehicle, then you make it street legal. You shouldn't need one.
yeah, stupid.
You should only need an off-road sticker if it's not an off-road vehicle and you want to take it on off-road trails.
Well, no, you shouldn't need
something.
No, you should only need an OHV sticker if you're riding something that's a off-road vehicle and you don't have a license plate. You're just
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
If you have a dirt bike and you're riding it up there and you don't have a license for the street, you should have to have an OHV sticker. That's fine.
Yeah.
But if you have a license, it should also cover the off-road.
Oh yeah, what's the difference?
Dirt?
Yeah, I mean, it ain't that way in every places I've ever been anyway.
Well, the ironic part is that's what you buy a bike like this for.
Yeah. I mean, you shouldn't have to have a sticker anyway. That's just a money grab, all that is. You know how it goes.
There was a purpose behind it when it started.
Well, it's supposed to help the trails or something.
Yeah, there's federal funds available for rec trails program, but the state has to pay part of the cost. They have a match requirement, and they didn't have a funding mechanism to fund the match, so they couldn't ever apply. So they thought if they created the OHV sticker, they could create the matching for the federal funds. But, and I think they've done a lot of good. You know, there's been a lot of upgrades to trails.
I mean, there shouldn't be a problem anyway. We have Joe Biden in place as the president.
That's right.
He just printed it.
I did say he's in place. He's not the president, but he's in place. So we got him in there. We should be okay.
Got all you need.
Infinite money to solve our problem.
Yeah,
you just got to print more.
Yeah, just print more. Once we get past the transition.
Just got to borrow more from China.
Yeah. Look how nice the economy is now. We're doing good.
Definitely better than 4 years ago, for sure.
Oh, yeah.
We're up.
Oh,
truck. Sorry.
Car.
Well, that's kind of a car truck. SUV.
It's not a Jeep. It's not a Jeep.
Yeah.
So it might as well be a car.
Yeah, it's supposed to be a Jeep, but it's got a Jeep name on it. Cherokee.
Might as well be a Tonka.
Yeah. Tonka truck. Yeah, I bet if it had just rained, it'd be nice up there.
Yeah.
Sharp turn. They got to put they got signs out on the road here telling you speed limits, and there's a turn up here.
Oh, watch out, Joe.
What'd he do?
He ended up in the gutter.
Oh. Oh, in that ditch?
Yeah.
Showing off. He's a big show off.
Border Patrol up here?
Yeah, I was just going to say, is that Border Patrol here?
Oh, yeah. Oh, maybe smuggling up to here. What does it say? Biden Vision? Seriously, it says Biden Vision.
It said something like that.
I'm pretty sure it's Biden Vision, what it said on it. Look and see if you can see there on that side.
Biden invasion.
Biden invasion?
Yeah.
What?
Oh my God.
What does that mean?
At Biden invasion. I don't know if that's good or bad.
Well, I bet you I know what he is. He's what do they call those guys that patrol the border on their own? No, there's a name for them.
I don't know.
I don't know. You mean because they're against it?
Yeah.
Against the illegals?
Yeah, it might be like Biden invasion, as in like stopping the Biden invasion of people coming over the border.
That's what it is.
I wouldn't want the name Biden on my vehicle.
Well, the fact that it looks like a border patrol vehicle means they're probably against the immigration.
I mean, maybe Brandon, but
yeah. Brandon's a good one.
Brandon invasion.
Yeah. I seen it said Biden. I'm like, what the world is that?
I thought I said something weird on it, but I couldn't read it.
It looked like, but because it looks like a border patrol.
Yeah.
The way they did the colors. It's telling us there's gas up ahead. That's what it says. Need a break, gas stations. Ain't no gas stations up here.
Is that on your GPS?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. It'd be great if they did have gas up here.
I don't think that's right, but it's what it says. Gas station, restaurant, need a break. Some kind, I can't hardly, it's too much dust.
Luckily, we ain't gonna use no gas going down, because I might have a tank.
10 miles away, gas station.
That's at the bottom of
Saddlebrook Boulevard, Tucson, Arizona.
Yeah, that's about where Joe started.
Yeah.
In fact, he parks at a Circle K and rides up from there. But it's further than 10 miles. It's the total length to the top's about 26 miles, I think, from there.
Huh.
Maybe if you threw a rock, it'd be 10 miles.
It's further than that, even this way, going back down Mount Lemmon, further than 10 miles.
Yeah.
Ain't it?
If you go, down
the paved road?
Down the paved road, you'll be further than 10 miles, too.
Yeah, it's a pretty long road going up there.
Let's see what it says if I click go, if it's telling me to turn around or what. Hour and 40 minutes now to go 10 miles. Yeah, it's telling us to turn around. So it's back the other way. I think it meant 10 miles straight through the woods.
Yeah, that must be.
The way the eagle flies.
By the crow flies.
Yeah.
Don't say crow, right?
Nah, crows don't. We're talking about eagles. We're from Missouri.
This is America. It's an eagle.
America. The way the buzzard flies. They don't fly straight.
It's nice and cool up here.
It is nice. Feels good. We're definitely getting up into the pines now.
Whoa.
What are you doing there, Joe? Or Joe, Tom, I mean.
That's.
Well, I guess, yeah, Joe. You're acting like Joe. What are you doing?
I was trying to figure out what you were doing, so I moved over because I was like, oh crap, did he almost hit something?
Rock knocked me sideways.
Hey, you gotta watch out for those big ones just sitting there in the middle of the road.
Yeah.
And it's the ones that they roll.
Yeah, that's the problem. Yeah, I don't mind the planted rocks. It's the ones that roll out
That's
one
the
of your
loose
tires.
ones, yep. And they're sitting everywhere through here.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like we're almost at the end. This looks kind of like where we started to go off that road.
It can't be much further.
The temperature's dropping pretty quick, it feels like.
Feels good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it feels awesome.
Get that hoodie out.
Yep, might need it.
It'll be 71 up here today
Perfect.
for a high.
That little spot was steeper than it looked.
Yeah, it was. I
You
know
see me
that
pop
too.
up there?
Yeah, I went right over it too, right behind you.
I'm seeing sky, so I don't think we can go up much higher.
That's true.
This is it. Bet this is the last curve around, and then it's going to be that little station.
Well, we're fixing to find out if you're right. Look at that. They got that car down here.
They probably
a
only
Prius.
drove. They probably only drove from there to here.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Look how pretty it is over there.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
With the
Ain't it?
orange.
Don't look too much, Scott.
No, don't look too long.
You'd be off the road.
Yep.
I don't know. I tell you, I've seen people take their cars like that to crazy places. Like a Prius don't belong down here.
Don't think so. He's going to need some new CV boots after this.
No doubt. Crazy.
This is like hiking out of the Grand Canyon. You just keep turning and thinking, I think this is the last turn. We're almost there.
Yeah.
It just goes on forever.
Have you done that?
Yeah, quite a few times.
We've been there and looked off in there. We ain't went down in it yet. I'd like to. You ain't never done the mule ride down in there, donkeys or whatever?
My brother has, Joe has, but I haven't done that. I just hiked it.
Yeah, we're at the end now. This is where we turned around. We pulled down in here just a little bit and we backed back out of here.
That backed all the way up.
Yeah.
Mount Lemon Fire. All right, ready? Let's go get a burger.
Go.
Let's do something.
Boogie.
That was a nice ride all up here.
Yeah, it was. Yeehaw!
And it's freaking perfect weather up here.
Oh, man.
Plus, my bike didn't choke today.
Yep. Fixed it.
And with how slow we were going,
It
and how
would
hot
have.
the bike got, oh man, it would have been awful.
Up that
I'm
bouncing.
so glad we did that.
Bouncing that much, it would have.
Yep. All that, because there's a lot of sloshing around going on.
Ah, this feels nice.
This is amazing.
Stand up, maybe some of it dust will blow off of me.
I know, that's what I was thinking. Just shake yourself. Wow, there's a lot of people here. I've never seen it like this.
Uh-oh. Oh, the last time we was up here, it was stupid
It
bad.
was packed.
Oh yeah, it was this bad or worse. Or worse. Wait, Scott, or go ahead, I guess.
One.
Huh?
It looked like it was slowing down, so I just went.
I started saying they didn't have no stop sign.
Yeah. What are we doing?
Parking, I guess.
Parking
I got
crosswalk.
a spot next to me here.
A whole parking spot?
Yeah.
Get off 4 parking there, probably.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I probably should have just pulled in there.
I don't know. It's a crosswalk.
Pulling right in there.
Yeah.
And lean it toward mine.
Probably okay if your bike doesn't fall.
We're gonna go in the Sawmill Run restaurant.
There's plenty of space right here.
Yeah. Over here.
Yeah. You probably come in from the back, from behind you.
Look at that. I wouldn't know if I call that a truck. Watch that big rock.
Yeah, that truck's not meant for
That's
off-roading.
a mall crawling thing.
Yeah. It's a street princess. It's not a four-wheel drive.
Yeah, no doubt. The guys, we were heading back down off Mount Lemon. We had a pretty good burger up there at the restaurant.
Sawmill.
Sawmill restaurant. I didn't see no sawmill there, but maybe they used to be.
Sawmill Run.
Sawmill Run.
BMW.
BMW coming up through there. So we're heading back out of here. Thank you guys for watching this video. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below. Catch you on the next one. Right on.